Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a low-carb salad recipe which is paneer and broccoli salad. This low-carb salad recipe is not just healthy but delicious and filling as well, and you can enjoy this as a complete meal which I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken some lettuce mix which includes iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, green leaf, red leaf, butterhead and coral lettuce. And now I'm going to roughly chop them. If you're not aware, lettuce is a good source of vitamin K which helps strengthen bones and is also packed with vitamin A which plays a role in eye health, and adding mixed lettuce makes any salad more filling and satisfying. Alright, this is done. Then here I have taken some peated black olives which I will slice them into half. Here comes the broccoli cut into medium-sized florets and has been blanched in hot salt water for 1 minute. Then comes the paneer or cottage cheese cut into medium-sized cubes like this. Next, heat a pan and into it drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil or any other oil of your choice. And when the pan is hot, we will add some minced garlic. I have used here 2 large garlic pods. Then goes half teaspoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of chili flakes. And on medium flame, we will saute this for a while until the garlic turns golden brown and aromatic. Next goes few onion chunks and the cottage cheese or paneer cubes. And now we need to saute the paneer cubes till they turn light golden brown and are coated well with the seasonings. And now time to add the blanched broccoli florets. And we will stir them well so that the broccoli florets are combined with the seasonings. Keep the flame on medium. Stir the broccoli and paneer cubes in between. But now the broccoli florets are cooked 80%. At this stage, I will add red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into chunks. And we will stir them for a few seconds only so that they retain their bright color and crunch. And now we'll quickly season them with some crushed Himalayan pink salt. You can use normal salt also. And some crushed black pepper. Mix this once. And our colorful and delicious sauteed broccoli and paneer infused with garlic and herb is ready. So now I'll turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. And now we shall prepare a quick salad dressing. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Next goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning, I will add some crushed black pepper and some salt as per taste. Mix this well and our quick and basic salad dressing is ready. And now time to assemble the salad. Here are the roughly chopped mixed lettuce in the mixing bowl. Then goes the sauteed broccoli and paneer or cottage cheese cubes along with onions and bell peppers, which has been cooled down and then added to the chopped lettuce. Next goes the sliced peated black olives and the salad dressing. And now we need to mix or toss all the ingredients so that they are well combined. So mixing is done and now time to serve the salad. And here goes our healthy and delicious sauteed broccoli and paneer salad into the serving bowl. Enjoy this healthy and filling low-carb salad recipe as a complete meal, and this salad is ideal for those who want to lose weight in a healthy way. So friends, I hope you'll try this salad recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.